Muslims have to set goals for themselves. After doing a good assessment of themselves, I would argue 40 years. 40, up until like 18, 19, you're so dumb you don't even know what's going on around you. You wake up a little around 19 if you're lucky. And then you have until then about 60 when your limbs are still working properly and you have the energy to do things. You have at least 40 years to get do something of your life. And then of course at the end phases of your life, you're back to dhikr and you're back to just winding down and leaving a legacy, and that's it. But what are you going to do with this meat of your life, this middle of your life? What are you going to do with it? What is it going to mean? When you look back at it, what did it all mean? Was it you look back and say, I worked. I had a career. That's all it was. For a mother, her highest goal could be, I want to raise my children right. I want to make them servants of deen. That could be her goal. They will accomplish great things in dunya, but they'll accomplish amazing things for this deen. So they'll use their worldly success as a stepping stone for their success in deen. So their worldly success was not an end, it was a means to an end. So what happens is there are certain things in life that can really crush your goals. And one of those things is marital problems. Like if you don't have harmony at home between husband and wife, you can have a lot of potential. You can have a lot of great goals. But you won't be able to accomplish them. Because you don't have harmony at home. You don't have peace in the house. One of the great, qualities of the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ is harmony at home. And these small, like these things would go unnoticed in our lives. Like a wife saying your breath smells. It would not be a major incident in our life. It wouldn't be. It wouldn't be considered an issue of marital discord. It just wouldn't happen. Or if the husband said something and, it was small, so you leaked it out a little bit. Did you tell anybody? Yeah, sorry. I did tell someone. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. But in the Prophet's case, because he has the highest goal, so even the slightest marital problems can be a hamper to that higher goal. So Allah comes down on it immediately. Because his household needs to be in order for him to accomplish his very important mission. And on top of that, I said, our active life is about 40 years. He has to accomplish this when he starts at the age of 40, and he's going to be out of here by 63. So he has very limited time to accomplish what he accomplishes. And he needs the stability at home to be able to do that. So, on the one hand, we emphasize the harmony inside the house. And, it's a big theme nowadays in the Muslim community, which is great. I love that idea. That we should talk about how we need to become better fathers, better husbands, better wives, stronger families. But we have to remember why we're doing that. We're making strong families so that we reach higher goals. Having a strong family is not the goal. Using that to benefit humanity, that's a goal. Using that to produce the teachers and the helpers and the da'is and whatever else. Something more for deen. That's our goal.